After struggling with peanut, oteshemi okpero, esi ka use NSS Enugu. So nwere peanut pewe ka abacha. If method and it came out really good though. Nnem, if you are trying to do peanut, some no dey gida results uta shake yourself. Use this my method, you enjoy it. I'm telling you. I think I'm the first lady to go peanuts. I don't know how to put it, but yeah, I'm the first person in Jaka beard peanut, and it came out very good. So yeah, Malum Adigo, cause I was yeah. Oh, Jen, oh, sorry, I cannot finish the voiceover. Oh, my neighbors put I passed my neighbor. I've been generator. Anyway, look at the difference. The first one, my granite was not fully done. Look at the second one, the granite is fully done. Thank you for watching.